welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be talking about one reason why your cake burns. If this is your first time of being on my channel and you don't know what we are all about, in this channel we love to talk about fondants, we love to talk about wafer paper, we love to talk about cake recipes, we just love caking it. So if you think that is what you like, then look below and click on the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to press the notification by the side so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. So let's get started. Sometimes our cakes get burnt, even when they are not in an oven that is so hot, even when they have not been overbaked. We just wonder why they are just getting burnt. Okay, so I'm going to tell you one reason why your cake gets burnt. It could be that you are using the wrong pan, and I will show you why. Okay, so there are some dark colored pans like this. If you live in Nigeria or this part of the world, you may be familiar with this kind of pans. I am not condemning them, I still use them sometimes, but your cake is going to get burnt more easily because of its dark color, and dark colors attract more heat to your baked product. Okay, and some of these pans are so light that it makes your it gives so much heat to your cake batter in it, therefore making it more likely to get burnt. This pan, on the other hand, as you can see, is lightly colored, is a bit thicker, and it is more certain that your cake will not get burnt in this one. If you think if you think it might not be true, I think you should give it a test and a trial. Bake your cake if you have this kind of pan with this one and this one. Put them at the same time, put them in the same kind of heat, and allow them to stay at the same time. You will notice at the end that this cake in this pan will get more brown than the one on this cake pan. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, please share with your friends. Remember to give us a thumbs up, and please drop your comments. We would like to hear from you. Thank you so much.